Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. Let's learn some colors now. Green color, pink color, dark blue color, violet color, orange color, green color, red color, dark pink color, brown color, blue color, let's learn alphabets. Small letters. A for avocado. B, ball. C for coat. D for dress. H for hen. I for ice. J for jam. K for kangaroo. L for lychee. M for mango. N for nest. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for students. T for teacher. U for universe. V for violin. W for water. X for X-ray. Y for yogurt. Z for zebra. Now let's revise it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel.